Hey everyone, welcome back to our Redash learning series. In today's session, we will compare Redash with other BI tools like Apache Superset, Metabase, Tableau, and Power BI. By end of this lecture, you will understand the strength and weaknesses of each tool, which BI tool is best for your specific use case, how Redash stands out in the BI landscape. So let's dive in. First is Apache Superset. What is Apache Superset? Open source BI tool developed by Airbnb, supports interactive dashboards and no code exploration, built in visualization library with advanced charts. So let's see the differences between Redash and Superset. Features: easy to use. For Redash, it's simple and lightweighted. For Superset, it's more complex and requires setup. The second feature will be SQL support. So for Redash, SQL first querying. For Apache Superset, it's both SQL and no code. For feature visualization, Redash uses basic charts, whereas Apache uses advanced visualization like 3D, geospatial, etc. Feature best for Redash is best for analyst and small team, whereas Apache Superset is best for large enterprise and complex dashboards. Which one to choose? Choose Redash if you want a lightweight SQL based tool. Choose Superset if you need advanced visualization and no code features. Next, let's compare Redash and Metabase. What is Metabase? Metabase is an another open source BI tool known for its user friendly and no code approach. Let's user explore data without writing SQL query. Good for business users who don't know SQL. Let's see the key differences between Redash and Metabase. For querying, Redash is SQL first, whereas Metabase is no code plus SQL. Feature best user, Redash is for data analyst and engineers, whereas Metabase is for business users and managers. Setup for Redash is lightweight and easy, whereas Metabase it's slightly heavier but it's simple. Customization is more flexible in Redash, whereas customization is limited compared to Redash in Metabase. Now, which one to choose? Choose Redash if your team is comfortable with SQL and need flexibility. Choose Metabase if your need a no code solution for business user. Now let's compare Redash and Tableau. What is Tableau? Tableau is a powerful enterprise BI tool known for rich interactive visualization, drag and drop interface, no coding required, best for big businesses with complex data need. Let's see the key difference between Redash and Tableau. Redash is free open source, whereas Tableau is paid and expensive. Redash is easy to use, simple and SQL based, whereas Tableau is no code but complex for advanced feature. Redash visualization is basic charts, whereas Tableau has highly interactive and advanced charts or visualization. Redash is best for engineers and analysts, whereas Tableau is best for large enterprise and executives. Which one to choose? Choose Redash if you need a free SQL based BI tool. Choose Tableau if you have budget and need advanced visualization. Finally, let's compare Redash with Power BI. What is Power BI? Microsoft Enterprise BI tool. Deep integration with SQL, Server, Excel, and Azure. Great for corporate reporting and dashboard automation. Let's see the key difference between Redash and Power BI. Redash is self-hosted, which is free of from cost point of view, whereas Power BI is subscription based by Microsoft. Redash is easy to use, that is simple SQL based, whereas Power BI is drag and drop but can be complex. Redash has integration with many database and API. Power BI is best for Microsoft tech like Azure and SQL Server. Redash is best for data team and startup, whereas Power BI is best for enterprise Microsoft users. Which one to choose? Choose Redash if you need a free SQL first tool with open source flexibility. Use Power BI if you are using Microsoft tools like Excel, Azure, and SQL Server. So let's wrap up with some key advantages. Choose Redash if you want a lightweight SQL first and open source BI tool. Choose Superset if you need advanced charts and no code analytics. Choose Metabase if you need a beginner friendly no code BI tool. Choose Tableau if you need enterprise level visualization. Choose Power BI if you use Microsoft tools and need deep integration. So that's all for this lecture. See you in the next video.